Humpty Dumpty hip-hop dance move. Literally have no idea why it's called this, but I'm sure somebody out there does know the answer, so feel free to comment below if you do, okay? Now this dance move, really cool, really easy. You use a crisscross dance move, which is just crisscross, yeah? And then you just alternate, so you go right in front of left, out, left in front, out. Simple. So what you want to do is, as you land, you want to land with your knees bent when you do the crisscross, yeah? So criss, and then bend your knees, okay? Land bent. You're going to bend and push your hips, okay? Hips go up, extend your knees. You're going to sink, bend your knees, repeat again, okay? You push the hips first. That's the crucial little key with this step, okay? Hips, hips and then knees, okay? So you do 2, 1, 2, and as you're coming up out of the second one, you go crisscross again, land, push, push, crisscross, land, push, push, crisscross, land, okay? So for the timing, you generally want to do the Humpty Dumpty move like this, on the and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. A lot of people fail to grasp that really, really important concept right there, that you start on the and 1, 2, and 3, 4, because that's the whole effect of the dance move, is to hit that and 1, 2, and 3, 4, yeah? With the arms, you kind of can do whatever you want, but a lot of people will just let that hand swing out, yeah? But you can like grab your crotch as well, boom, pa, pa, boom, pa, pa, yeah? Whatever, okay? So honestly, really chilled with the arms. Arms, a lot of the time in hip hop, is about more expression, and the grooves usually come from like the legs and your hips and your torso. So with this one, I don't think there's anything really set with the arms, but if you want something to do, just do that. Just a sweep behind like that, just a sweep behind your back, okay? Super easy. The other thing to notice with this move is you want to slightly travel out to each side when you do the crisscross dance move. So you want to, choo, choo, yeah? So see how I noticed we traveled across? Boom, boom, tap, 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 boom, boom, yeah? That's the only other thing with this dance move, to really remember to make it look good. So let's try this, follow along, start slow, we'll build up the tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Let's go a little faster now. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Excellent. All right, let's try this in music so you can start getting used to hitting that and 1 on the music, okay? Let's go.